universe? God? Yoda? Einstein? Whoever's out there. What is the meaning of life? Who am I? The answers to those questions might still be contested, but if we had to boil it down to one word, it would be genes. How would you describe yourself in one word? Do you hate being labeled? Do you cringe at being misunderstood? You're not alone. Did you know that you have more than 20,000 genes in your DNA? So, who wore it better? Well, it's hard to compare since everyone's genes are unique. Sort of. Let's think about genes for a second. I'm really talking about the pants this time. A pair of jeans is a pair of jeans. Every pair is made with thousands of small denim fibers, but genes vary in color, size, and other stylistic features. Humans are kind of the same way. We're all comprised of about 25,000 genes, and most of these genes are the same in every human. Thousands and thousands of genes account for our similarities to each other, but only 0.1% of them make us unique. So what do you think makes you, you? Chromosomes are made from coiled molecules of DNA, which are in turn made up of smaller sequences of DNA called genes. Genes not only determine your unique traits and physical characteristics, but they also generate specific proteins to build, regulate, and maintain your body. These proteins are responsible for bone growth, muscle movement, digestion control, circulation, and much more. Genetic researchers are still working to identify which genes are in which pairs of chromosomes, but what we do know is that your chromosomes vary in size and in function. For example, your largest chromosome is called chromosome 1, and it accounts for 8% of all your DNA cells. In total, humans have roughly 10 trillion DNA cells, and if you were to line them all up, they'd stretch from the Earth to the Sun 100 times. A sperm cell carries 23 chromosomes, and an egg cell carries 23 chromosomes. They each have their own respective genetic information, accounting for certain traits like hair color, eye color, height, wingspan, temperature control, X-ray vision, superhuman strength. Okay, we're getting ahead of ourselves. Your genes might not be able to make you bulletproof, but you can still call yourself a mutant if that's what makes you happy. The sperm cell and the egg cell combine to create a new cell, setting off a chain reaction of cell divisions, which will eventually produce another human. But as new cells are being created to form, well, you, genetic information from your father and your mother is being shuffled around and randomly assigned to your cells. These determine your hair color, your eye color, and so on. Don't be alarmed if you've got a sibling who doesn't look exactly like you. It's not an alien conspiracy. The two of you simply got a different mix of your parents' genes, and that's what makes you special. I'm the special one, right, Mom? All babies get one X chromosome from their mother, but it's a 50-50 chance they'll get one from their father. The father carries both X and Y chromosomes. If the X gets passed on, congratulations, you were born female. If you're a male, that means your father's Y chromosome combined with your mother's X chromosome to make you. So, there's the birds and the bees. But you don't always have to look to the sky for answers. Sometimes the answer's right in front of you. That is, if you're in front of a mirror, or your parents, or a computer. Maybe you've heard of the Blue Man Group, but have you heard of the Fugate family? The Fugates lived in a very remote area of Kentucky, where inbreeding and a rare genetic condition called metemoglobinemia resulted in a family of people with blue-tinged skin. Genes, right?